We get asked a lot of times at Edyst whether software is a good career to pursue in terms of future prospects. Hi, I'm Anik, co-founder at Edyst, where we've guided more than 10,000 students into flourishing jobs in the industry. And I'll be answering this question today. It goes without saying that there is no job which is completely future-proof. Automation has made a lot of jobs redundant, both in software as well as non-software domains. When was the last time you remember speaking to a receptionist? It's kind of become a redundant job these days. The thing about automation in tech specifically is that while it displaces some jobs, it often creates more jobs as well. For example, platforms such as Salesfore, ServiceNow, and even AWS, Amazon Web Services, which were meant to simplify a lot of workflows or automate a lot of things, have in fact unlocked a lot more new jobs. So you have a lot of these jobs like AWS administrator or Salesforce administrators, a bunch of different administrators, which earlier did not even exist, simply because we found this new way of working now. So while it made redundant other things like a lot of managed cloud providers, or for those of you who don't understand, it's basically earlier you used to take a very specific cloud provider and host your website over there. You no longer need to do that, and you no longer even need to keep your own servers to keep your own website, because you can just host it with Amazon Web Services. But now in order to manage Amazon Web Services, I need to be able to understand Amazon Web Services, and I need someone who can actually do that. So it's created a new set of jobs over there. That's the thing about tech. It automates some part, but then to manage that automation, it often creates another set of jobs. The fun part of all of this is that many of these openings that are coming up are actually coming up in traditional industries, because a lot of the traditional industries are moving towards a digital space, right? So a lot of them are now taking up software engineering roles as job openings in their own firms. Check out these statistics from Amazon and Stack Overflow, where you can see the rise in number of industries employing software developers. It's crazy. Given that ours and the future generation is always going to be crazy about latest innovations, 10-minute deliveries, cryptocurrencies, AR and VR, it's safe to say that software as a professional definitely can give you an edge in terms of longevity. That means it's going to last for a long time. It's a good bet to take as your career. There is one catch though. The skill itself will keep changing. That is, what you're working on today, you are most likely not going to be working on in another 5 years. In fact, what you'll work on as a software engineer after 5 years has probably not even been invented, or has been invented but is in a very early stage right now. So summing it up, software is a great career and is the closest thing to a future-proof career that you can get today, provided that you are ready to be a lifelong learner and keep upgrading yourself. Thanks for listening. That's it for this time.